Hi everyone, this is a video about this Samsung Pro Plus micro SD card that because it's brand new it's really hard to copy this and have a fake one, but in case that you're interested I show you how the genuine Samsung 256 gigabyte memory card looks like the Pro Plus, and it comes like this. That is heavily packaged in here. The only way to get this one open is just cut it with the scissor, and then you can get them out. And there is no a storage case or anything of that sense, but it's just an adapter and the card itself. And then I have the other, because I purchased two of these, I have the other one open and I show you how it looks like, and if you come across the fake one, just look out for these indications that I am explaining here. The price of this item is very nice, very reasonable. Is £36.99 from this seller, City of Memories, and this seller is very efficient. It's just posted it very fast on eBay, and by all means I recommend this item, especially from this seller, and positive feedback is 99.9, which is reasonable. So here let's first look at the larger piece, which is the adapter. That you look out for the Samsung, the A and M of the Samsung, and at the top, if you look at it, it's just very narrow. The gap at the top of the A is very narrow. The fake ones is rather thicker at the top, and somehow they embossed it as well to make it more genuine, looking genuine. And here definitely you have to have this Samsung, and then here it says made in China, designed by Samsung, and it has a lot number as well. So this is one way of knowing that your item is genuine, and the other way is that the same A and M, you better pay attention to that. And if you look at it, the A of Samsung at the top is about to be disappear. The white line at the top is about to disappear, and the M's as well. So this is one way of knowing that this item is genuine. And when you go to the back, it has the writing of this type, and at the bottom it says made in Philippines, and that Philippine made is shows you that is genuine. And then another one that is a very good indicator, the thickness of the item is very important. And this one, let me just get my caliper here. The thickness of this is about 0.6 millimeter, or 0. It depends, between 0.1, let me just see if I can measure it where I want it to measure. Here, 0.6 millimeter. So be mindful of that, and the thickness, and the A's and M's of Samsung, and then the thickness and the writings at the back. And the writing at the back is very distinct, is laser etched, and is very, very nicely done. So these are the indicators that you can go for in order to be sure that the item that you have purchased is genuine Samsung. And another thing that you can go for it is this barcode number, barcode at the bottom that is different each time, and then the writings made in Philippines and all the different languages. It must have all different languages and all of the protection that you are getting with this. And the Samsung, again at the top, as you see the A, it must be very narrow, the white bit. It goes all the way to the center of the A at the top, and the M's as well. Anyway, so this one, I fully recommend this because the read speed is 160 megabit per second and the write speed is 120 megabit per second. It's good for your drone, your camera, your mobile phone. So this is how to realize that your Samsung microSD card is genuine. And this Pro Plus, I tried it and it's a very fast card, and I recommend it by all reasonable means. And I explained the price and how I purchased it and where I purchased it. So I hope you find this video helpful, and until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.